Hi everyone, Frank DiTomaso here, and welcome to this month's housing market update. With most of the negative news that you've been hearing lately, I'd like to share something much more positive. The real estate economy is one of America's bright spots right now and is the heartbeat of the economy. The experts predicted in recent months that the real estate industry would lead the way in the economic recovery from the pandemic. For one, Mark Fleming, chief economist at First American, predicted that real estate would lead us out of recession in the second half of 2020. That prediction is true, and I'm going to show you how it's developing. Keep in mind that the strong buyer demand started before the pandemic, just before we entered the spring season. Last month, our restrictions were lifted in New York City, as well as other parts of the country. When that happened, the real estate market went right back into full swing as expected. We saw an immediate surge in showings, new listings, and new contracts. And it's no secret that interest rates hovering around 3% have aided the cause. It seems like there'll be no slowing down in the summer months. In fact, many real estate professionals think of it like the spring season has just arrived. I want to show you how the market's taken shape for the month of June on a national level as well as a local level in Staten Island, New York, and Monmouth County, New Jersey. On the national level, Zillow's June report shows new contracts up 24.5% from May, and new listings were taken in June were up 19.3% over May's new listings. According to Zillow, both pending sales and new listings remain well up from the previous month when the market was bouncing back from a slowdown in the early days of the coronavirus pandemic. Now I want to shift to the local markets, beginning with the Staten Island market. You can see a significant increase in activity beginning in April. But take a look at the comparison of June's production versus May's. In June, new listings topped off at 755 as compared to 276 in May. That was an increase of 270%. And acceptances in June were 440 as compared to 154 in May. That was a 280% increase. This shows the surge in market activity as I mentioned earlier. Now, Monmouth Ocean, New Jersey is also trending in a similar pattern. When we look at June's production in new listings, you can see how it also increased significantly with 4,096 as compared to 2,540 in May. That's a 160% increase. And as for contracts, there were 3,871 taken in June as compared to 2,201 in May. This represents an increase of 175%. So the bottom line is this. As we study the numbers nationally and locally, we can see the quick rebound and strength in the real estate market. What was predicted earlier for a strong housing market comeback seems to be holding true. And collectively, the experts happen to be spot on with their predictions. I hope this gives you a better understanding of the current housing market, and thanks for watching. I'll be sure to continue my updates as the data becomes available. For more information about our property listings or agents, visit us on the web at dtomaso.com. And if you're thinking of buying or selling a home, give us a call today.